I'm Tess South with HiViz Shooting Systems, and we are here at Industry Day at the range to feature our new FastDot H3. It is a 2-dot sight system that mounts like traditional iron sights, but gives it a low-profile design so that you can use standard holsters with it. But it also allows for faster sight acquisition right out of the holster. It also has tritium fiber optic light pipes to allow for 24-hour illumination, and the rear lens of the rear sight gives you positive sight feedback. So once the sights are aligned, the back sight glows bright green so that you know you're on target.
That's cool.
Absolutely. I don't know if you can see.
Wow.
I love it. Thank you.
That's awesome. That's amazing. Now, is that available now? Or?
Yes. This sight is available on HiVizSights.com. It's for SIG, Smith & Wesson, MSD, and Glock. It retails for $175.
Wow, that's great. And where can they purchase that?
HiVizSights.com.
So directly from you?
Directly from us. It will also be available through dealers and distributors as well.
That's awesome. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
This is 9. These are all 9. The same.
Oh, I love that.
Good job. Thank you. I've heard that a lot.
Oh, I love that.
What do you think?
I love it. I think that's so cool because right away you know if you're on target or not. If you see that red sight,
You're getting positive, constant.
every firearm should have that because that should help you be safe.
Speak louder into the mic.
The sighting system is astounding. Literally, when you're looking at it, if I can see red, that's not my target. It's like a green light go. The moment I have green, and it's just a beautiful system, I'm on my target. It means I'm lined up, I'm exactly where I need to be. This is astounding.
Yeah, that was smooth.
Awesome. Every firearm should have this on their gun.